Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salad like a restaurant. First, select the freshest greens available, such as crisp romaine or a vibrant spring mix. Proper washing is crucial. Rinse them well under cool water. Then, use a salad spinner or paper towels to ensure they are completely dry. This step, often overlooked, prevents your dressing from becoming diluted and ensures every bite is full of flavor. Finally, tear or chop your greens into uniform, bite-sized pieces for an elegant presentation and easy enjoyment. The secret to a restaurant-quality salad often lies in the dressing. Forget bottled options and whip up your own simple vinaigrette. A classic ratio is 3 parts good quality olive oil to 1 part acid, like white wine vinegar or fresh lemon juice. Add a touch of Dijon mustard for emulsification and flavor. Whisk vigorously or shake in a jar until creamy. Don't forget to season it generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and perhaps some finely chopped fresh herbs for an extra layer of taste. To truly elevate your salad, focus on adding diverse textures and flavors. Think beyond basic vegetables. Introduce crunch with toasted nuts, seeds, or homemade croutons. Creamy elements like avocado or soft goat cheese add richness. For savory depth, consider roasted vegetables, sun-dried tomatoes, or olives. If you're making a main course salad, include a lean protein such as perfectly grilled chicken breast, pan-seared salmon, or seasoned chickpeas to make it satisfying and complete. The final steps are all about presentation and timing. Always dress your salad just before serving, never too early, to maintain the crispness of your greens. Use a light hand with the dressing. You can always add more, but you can't take it away. Toss all ingredients gently in a large bowl to ensure every component is lightly coated. Finally, arrange your beautiful salad artfully on a chilled plate or in a wide, shallow bowl for that impressive, restaurant-style finish. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.